Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix a billing problem on App Store on iPhone iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone in iOS 26 and you're having any billing problem in your App Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. In this way, your all network setting will be refreshed. And once you have that, simply go back and you have to go to your settings, then go for general, and here you have to make sure that you have a VPN connected. So go for VPN and device management, select VPN, or if you have any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with your VPN. Once you have disconnected, it might be that your problem will be fixed. You have to retry, or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to simply go ahead to your app store. Tap on your profile in the top right corner, then tap on your profile again, and here you have to select the country or region option, and from here you have to select the specific country or region in which you are living. In my case, I'm going to select mine, and once you have selected, simply tap on it, then tap on this continue option, and here you have to tap on this agree option in the top right corner. And once you have that, you will get to this type screen that you have to add your payment method. So here you have to add all your payment information. It might be your credit card or debit card. And once you have entered, you have to simply tap on this done option in the top right corner. And after that, you have all done. You can easily use your app store without any billing problem. So in this way, you can easily fix any billing problem in any in app store on any iPhone and iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.